Well, good morning everyone. It's Mrs. Travels here. Today we are going for a spin to the Wicklow Mountains to spend the night. It's my big birthday into another decade this week, so Eddie's taking me away for a treat. Now, I have never done a tour of the van, just a wee quick one. It's always been Eddie. So from my perspective, here's what I see. As you come in the door, we have the fridge. We have the connection down in there at the base of the bench. You can hear Eddie washing his bike because himself and our daughter have been away biking any good day they've got. So I'm very lucky to be getting away. Anywho, we have the bench here, as you know. I covered it with a nice, well, I think it's a nice wee fabric. And underneath we have the toilet and the electricals over there, so I'll show you the toilet at some stage. We have our two belted seats here in case we have visitors, as in the grandchildren, and we have a spot for the table there. Anyway, I made a little set of blinds, and very plain, very simple. We didn't want anything flopping and flapping about too much, so at night time they come down and I think they look well. Up over the bulkhead you can see this. I'll show it to you. I'll take that down. That is actually, it was bought as a screen for the front window, but we changed it and we have it now that it blacks out the gap here at the bulkhead. That up above I keep winter woolies, and the table, nice and handy, out of the way, and of course the covering I made for this window as well. We have our fire blanket and the fire extinguisher. We have the cooker and our wee cupboard. I do want a shelf in there, Eddie doesn't know it yet. And there is our wee sink, which was, I think, a great wee purchase. Again, everything here was done on a budget. And so far so good, working out terribly well. We have our bed. It is a small double, which is 4 foot wide, but it's full 6 foot, whatever, 6'3", isn't it? Wide, long, so it works out great. That is the cupboard. Now it's vented front and it's vented side, but we had our fridge in there, but it wasn't, it was awkward to get into, if truth be known, and I would rather have it out here where it can get a bit of air and it's easier to get at. The units up here, fabulous, love them. Nice open. We decided consciously not to put any doors on them, and I love the look of them. They're coming up a wee bit redder than they actually are. Now, oh, look at the lovely cupboards I've got here. Oh, what? Yeah, these were promised to me as soon as the good weather come in and it's a bit warmer to be outside and the cold working in the van. Yeah, well, the daughter went and got a motorbike, so the two bikers are away off. So I'm going to have to pull rank and get a wee shelf made, because I think that would just finish off the van and get rid of all these dangly wires and give me another cupboard. So there you have it, folks. I know you know at the back there Eddie has sort of built a shelf, and it serves to be in the boot for him for bits and bobs that don't flap about, and it also serves inside at night time. I've there with my water, my phone, my glasses, and all the necessities of life right beside me. Oh, you hear him? He uses the leaf blower to dry the. Not the camera died. Well, the battery did. Yeah, as I was saying, he uses the leaf blower to dry off the motorbike. So that's what the noise is. Anyway, folks, that's the way the wee van's looking at the moment. Loving it. Needs a shelf, but patience is a virtue. Possess it if you can. Seldom in a woman and never in a man. There's one for you. What do I see? Oh God, I see the hose moving. What are you at? Oh, God's sake, that's just all I need.
Well, put a drop of water into the kitchen, into the drum.
Ah.
And then I'll put a wee bit into the into the shower for the dog.
Very handy, you know.
Get his shower ready.
That's the back door's open there. Do you know what I forgot to show you? Here, this wee battery monitor. So she shows all the time how much is coming in, going out, whatever on the battery. So it's very, very nice. Nice and tidy, and one set of wires gone. And this is the back, folks, that I was talking about, the shelf. Remember I was saying the shelf beside the bed? Well, on the other side of the shelf, oh, regulatory Guinness and necessities of life, and just some knickknacks, towels, dog food, different things like that, and our chairs, a spare stove,
and all them things that you need.
And the water. This water, yeah, it's really for showering down the dog. That's Eddie's wee hose, and it just leaves it that if it goes through mucky puddles, he's getting clean before he comes into the van with us. So that's some job, isn't it? And small amounts of water, I meant to say, in the front and the back, leaves it that we don't have gallons and gallons of, you know, water, and it does go stagnant, you know, so we always would just top up a refresh. That's why we have the smaller tanks, and it's very handy and less weight to be carrying as well. So it's win-win every way. You smiling at? Oh, I hear you. Okay.
Are you ready?
Nearly.
Let's go.
Nearly.
Come on, Blue. This way. Come. And obviously this is where we are, in the Wicklow Mountains. You have no problem spending a day up around here, maybe a couple of days up around this part of the world. Absolutely beautiful. We'll go for a wee walk here now. Stretch his legs a bit. Come on, big fella, let's go. Go on, you go in front. There you go. I hear the deer squealing there. He heard it too, look it. Blue's way up the mountain there. I don't know if that'll focus. Come! Come on! There's where the train comes into play there now. he's up the mountain chasing a deer. Come on! Come on! Atta boy! Unbelievable. Heel! Yeah! Stop! Heel! Heel! There's him there now. There's a deer up under if I can get him. If I can get him. Stay. I don't know if this bite will focus or not. If you can see him up there, he's an awful distance away. This camera will not pick him up. And that's what he's after. He's after the deers here. Unbelievable. Easy you. He's in high alert, as you can see here. Morning everyone, just got up there. It's coming about 7 o'clock or so. And there's our chief security. He's just been looking out the window. So we're just going to let him out here. First thing in the morning. It's dead night in Wicklow Mountains. Would you look at that boy? Unbelievable. Go on out, Blue. Unbelievable. Oh, dear. We're here for a wee bit of a walk. Oh, it's alright, Fee. You can lay there for another wee while. Don't you move now, it's alright. I'll sort the old dog out here. See you later. See you in about 10 or 15 minutes. Unbelievable. One big fella. Sun just starting to take his head. Would you look at that there, boy? Unbelievable. Absolutely class here. Have to watch him because of the deers and bits and pieces up here, the wildlife. This is something else up around here. Wicklow Mountains is absolutely beautiful, boy. And particularly when there's nobody about. Cars on the other side, the main road, okay, going to work. Take you here just for a wee bit of a... He's cocking the leg. This is some spot. At this time of year, there's very few tourists. The way more alright, like, but this is a class spot. Would you look at that? Hey? This is something else. I head up here for a little walk. Come! Leave it! Come on, big fella. Come on, big fella. Come on. Yeah, good fella. Heel. Tongue's hanging out already. Heel, come on round. On round. Yeah, good boy. There you are, folks. That's why you're going to have to do the dog if you're going to go up there, up the Wicklow Mountains. Be able to call him back when he's in hunting mode, and it's not easy done, believe me. Absolutely class up here. Okay, we'll leave you tell it there. We're going to go for a drop of breakfast here.
Alright folks, this is the waterfall here in the middle of the Wicklow Mountains. In the winter time that is absolutely full and gushing, and I'll tell you now we're a wee bit off season. This is the beginning of April. You see it comes May, June, July, you can't, it's bumper to bumper right up this road. Oh, looking at us. Isn't that lovely to see?
Even in front of there, the cars are out of there, you were in front, look at it.